Welcome back to another episode of Just for Funds here at Nasdaq Market Site. I'm Danielle Rutsky here with Jared Eisenberg, VP and ETF Specialist at AllianceBernstein. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So can you tell us a little bit about where are investors showing interest amongst the AllianceBernstein's ETF rosters currently?
Yeah, so the AB ETF suite has been around for nearly now 3 years. What's great is we've launched funds across equities, taxable fixed income, munis, and so we really have a pretty good feeling on this space and an understanding of where investor interest lies. So far this year, the big talking point where we've had a lot of client conversations has been active credit.
And with that increased interest, why are investors turning to actively managed credit now? Why is that a growth pocket in ETFs currently?
I think if we look at the macro environment, we see the economy is slowing. During those periods, that's typically when we see sectors fragment, right? So individual companies, it's much more important that you look and analyze the individual businesses, and that's where having a robust, experienced portfolio management team to select the individual securities in an active manner really comes into play.
Yeah, and so what sets AllianceBernstein's credit, active credit offerings and your active credit ETFs apart from other issuers coming to market right now?
I'd say there's two big things, but most notably, I'd say it's the same things that set AB's entire fixed income operation apart from its competitors. The quantitative research and history, really, of the research aspect of AB is within our DNA. And then on top of that, we've been collecting data and amassing all of this information over the past 20 years to really have an aggregation and understanding of where the fixed income market, where pockets of opportunity are. I'd say that how that relates to the actual construction of the ETF is that ultimately these are the inputs that we're using for our active decisions at the margin for our security selection levels.
And amongst these active credit ETFs, can you give us a couple of tickers that are interesting in the space now for investors to consider and why?
Two that we're having a lot of conversations around are actually both listed on Nasdaq, EYEG, which I think is our best ticker, which is our investment grade corporate bond ETF, and then CPLS, the AB Core Plus Bond ETF.
Amazing. Well, it was great to learn more. Thank you so much.
Thank you.